Drugs means poison. Say no to drugs. First time, every time. हे संदेश घेऊन आम्ही आलो आहे आणि आमच्या वतीने प्रकृती फाउंडेशननी प्रकृती संस्थांनी एक सुंदर पदनाट्य तयार केले तुमच्या समोर प्रस्तुत केलेले.
Hello friends, this is Ranjit Deshmukh reporting for TUI's Nagpur News Capsule. Today I have got with me Ms. Ashwati Dorje ma'am, who would be telling us about this whole campaign that Nagpur Police is running in Nagpur.
Happy to be here on Happy Streets with you. I'm very pleased to see a large crowd. A whole lot of you have turned up to support Maharashtra Times and Nagpur Police in our fight against drugs. Drugs is something which the young generation needs to be very, very aware of. It never stops with the first time. So you have to learn to say no to drugs the first time, every time. Nagpur City Police, in collaboration with Prakriti, have started Young India Unchained Clubs. It's basically to tap the young potential, the young energy in the youth of Nagpur City so that they can come together. So clubs are formed in every college of the city in which the members pledge to take up the fight against drugs and also most ills of society, including crime against women, human trafficking, eve teasing, and the use of cyber in crimes which are affecting society at large. So let's all get together and say no to drugs first time, every time. Jai Hind.
Do you think that this menace is becoming more and more complicated? Youngsters are getting into it day by day on a large scale. And how does the Nagpur Police basically has a strategy to tackle this menace?
Okay, it is unfortunate that drugs and substance abuse is being equated with attaining maturity and becoming hip. It is not hip, it is not mature to get into drugs and substance abuse because it captures you, it consumes you, and you get into a trap from which it's very difficult for you to come out. In fact, you even get involved in crimes of a big order. We have seen a lot of violent crimes happening which are basically fueled by drugs and substance abuse. So it is very necessary to start at the very initial stages. So what Nagpur City Police has done, we have started a campaign called Police Kaka. Police Kaka goes into the schools and colleges of the city and talks to children. So we are getting our officers and our personnel who are trained specifically for the job to go and talk to the children, sensitize them. And we are also making the students a part of our community, become our eyes and ears. And if you see anything, any wrong committing, you have to report to the police. So that is our fight. We are starting it at the very initial stages, nip it at the bud, as the saying goes, so that we all come together and support each other in the fight against drugs. If you say no to drugs the first time, it stops there. It doesn't progress. So let's say no to drugs the first time and every time.
Ma'am, do you think this kind of events organized by Times of India and Maharashtra Times jointly with Nagpur Police and NMC and bringing such crowd in this such kind of events help youngsters basically take to healthy activities and keep this drug menace apart?
Getting the students, the youngsters together is one thing because managing them is also a difficult task. So I should commend Maharashtra Times, and we are coming together with Maharashtra Times and Times of India to basically help them in making sure that the law is followed, that youngsters have a good time even while having a lot of fun. You know, when you're having fun, it should not be at the expense of others. You should be following the law, you should be happy, your neighbor should be happy, the society at large should be happy, that the youngsters are happy and the right message is going on to them. So that is how we have come together, and for now we are taking up the fight against drugs. We want to take up fight against so many other things else which are affecting society, and I'm sure that Maharashtra Times and we can work together towards that.
Yeah, thanks a lot. That was Ashwati Dorje madam speaking exclusively to Times of India regarding the drug menace and the kind of awareness that Nagpur Police is trying to spread to curb this menace in the city. This is Ranjit Deshmukh reporting for Times of India, Nagpur.
तर आपल्या पोलीस बांधवांनी केलेला जोरदार टाळा झाला पाहिजे. पुन्हा एकदा जोरदार टाळा झाला पाहिजे. आणि अश्वती मॅडम इथे आहेत, या सगळ्यांसाठी एकदा भारत माता की जयचा नाराही झाला पाहिजे.